In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix upper neck pain for good. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Dr. Rowe coming to you from SpineCare in St. Joseph, Michigan. In this video, we're going to go over easy exercises that can give both quick and long-lasting relief for upper neck pain. And I'm going to show you how to do this in a very easy to follow step-by-step guide that's going to help lengthen and more importantly strengthen muscles highly associated with upper neck pain. This includes the suboccipital muscle group at the base of the skull. As a note, each one of these parts is different. So to get the best results, go through them all and use what gives you the most relief. As a bonus, all of the exercises can be done at home and you may find give quick relief even within 30 seconds. So with that being said, let's get started and fix that upper neck pain right now for good. In the first part, we're going to focus on a big cause of upper neck pain, which is a buildup of tension and tightness in muscles and soft tissues. This is going to be a really easy self-massage or self-release technique that can give instant relief. In fact, anytime that you feel neck pain or headaches starting to build, give this a try. You may find that you get relief within seconds. We're going to start by taking two fingers, putting them on our chin and driving our head backward as much as we can. You should feel the muscles in the neck start to activate, but really focus on feeling it right here at the base of the skull. Once we feel that, we're then going to tuck our chin towards our chest. It should deepen that stretch on the upper part of the neck. Again, we're going to hold this position. From there, we're going to take our fingers, interlock them, and then put our hands on the back of our head, thumbs pointed downward. We want to position our hands where our thumbs are going to be right over the muscles at the base of the skull. From here, the movement is very easy. We're going to apply enough pressure into those muscles to do a light self-massage. We're going to avoid the spine or anything that is bony with this one, so we're only going to go over the muscles. I like to go over one spot doing a circular massage roughly for about 5 to 10 seconds. It usually feels really, really good. From there, I just relax and see how I feel. If there's still some tightness in there, just keep repeating this until it finally goes away. And then you're just going to move over and then repeat this, going from the middle towards the outer part of the skull right here towards the ears. If you want to take this one to the next level, instead of doing circular massages with it, attack the muscle fibers at different angles. So you can take your thumbs, hook right here in the center, and then pull towards your ears. You can also go up and down with it. You can also do diagonal motions, anything that you would like. And if any of those positions offer you more relief, go with it. But this also can be done over the middle part of the neck, even towards the lower part, the base of the neck. So really explore the area, target any spot that needs it a little bit more. The one thing that I like to do that actually targets the neck a little bit better is using something that's soft and round like a tennis ball. So cupping it like this and then digging into those muscles. What you're going to notice is it hits a larger area, you're able to apply a little bit more pressure, and it's a little bit more comfortable. So if you have a tennis ball laying around, give this one a try. So let's take this one to even the next level by putting in some different motions to open the neck up just a little bit differently. So let's get back into our original position like this, but what you want to do this time around is just tilt your head to look over one side's shoulder as much as you can, and then from there you're just going to repeat this massage. You can also use your tennis ball like this if you would like. So go all the way towards the left, go all the way towards the right. You can also do a tilting motion, that is taking your ear towards your shoulder and then repeating this whole process. Again, you can use your tennis ball if you like. With the tilt right here though, I really try to focus on the bottom part of the ear going into the side of the neck and then working towards the top of the shoulder right here. So give that a try through all of those positions, and if any of them offer you more relief, at that point throw more repetitions in. In the second part, we're going to focus on getting long-lasting relief for upper neck pain by strengthening the muscles that support the neck. This is by far the most important part, so don't skip it. Here's a really easy exercise that you can do daily at the edge of a bed. To get into position, we're going to start off on our stomach and scoot forward until our shoulders and head are off the edge of that bed. Your arms can just go off to your side. The first motion, we're going to focus a little bit more on the neck. So tuck your chin towards your chest, just like this, and then drive the back of your head upward towards the ceiling. The further that you go up, the more that you're going to feel a lot of muscles throughout the neck start to fire, but really focus on trying to feel it on the upper part of the neck, especially around the base of the skull. You want to hold this one comfortably for 5 seconds. You're going to relax, take a breather. On the next repetition, try to build into it just a little bit more. You can repeat this nice and slowly for 5 to 10 repetitions. And if it feels like you have a little bit more energy, you can always throw in another set or two. So this is how we can take it to the next level. We can go over a different motion that will also incorporate some more upper back muscles that also, in turn, will support the neck just a little bit more. So for this one, I'm going to get back into my original position, but I'm going to take my hands and then put them right on the back of my head. My fingers are interlocked. From here, what I want to do is press up with my head as much as I can, lift my chest up at the same time, and then wing my elbows upward towards the ceiling, really focusing on trying to pinch my shoulder blades at the same time. As you do this, you're going to feel a ton of muscles start to fire. The chest, the front part of your neck, in between your shoulder blades, pretty much through the whole upper back, working its way to the upper part of your neck. Hold this one comfortably for 5 seconds. You're going to relax. On the next repetition, try to build into it just a little bit more. Again, with this one, I try to do it for about 5 to 10 complete repetitions. But if it feels like you have a little bit more energy, you can always throw in another set or two. In this part, we're going to focus on stretching. Stretches are perfect to do after strengthening exercises to keep the muscles loose and also help avoid soreness. But with stretching, you can do it throughout the day, anytime that you need quick tightness or upper neck pain relief. Here's a couple that you can do throughout the day, anytime that you need them. The great part is you can do these ones standing or seated, so these ones are perfect to do at work. The first one is going to be a neck decompression traction. Think a really good deep stretch into the neck to help just take pressure off of those joints and muscles. What you want to do is take the webbing of one hand and place it right on your chin. If you do have jaw issues, you can put them a little bit above, right below your nose. But you want to push your head backward as much as you can until you feel the muscles in the neck start to activate. Really, again, focusing on it right at the base of the skull. From here, what you're going to do is take your hand on your other side and then hook right at the back of your head. The movement from here, press back a little bit more and then pull your chin downward towards your chest. As you do this, you're going to feel a really good stretch at the base of the skull that works its way down pretty much through the whole neck. Hold this one comfortably for 20 seconds. From there, you're going to relax, and then you're going to repeat this one 3 to 5 times. And with each repetition, try to build into it just a little bit more. To take this one to the next level, instead of going straight like this, what you want to do is turn your head slightly towards one direction and then repeat. What you'll notice is it hits the neck just a little bit differently. So give that a try going towards your left just like this. Also go towards your right. If any of those positions offer you more relief, throw more repetitions in. Next, I'd like to focus a little bit more off to the side of the neck right here by targeting a muscle called the levator scapula. A really easy way to target that is with the armpit sniffer exercise. So with this one, whatever side that you might be having more neck pain, let's say it's your right side, take your head and turn it towards the other side shoulder as much as you can until you feel a really deep stretch forming pretty much at the base of the skull, behind the ear, into the side of the neck. Once you feel that, you're then going to take your hand, hook the back of your head, and now passively pull your chin towards your armpit. You'll feel a deep, wonderful stretch right here at the upper part of your neck. You want to hold this one for 20 seconds. You're going to relax. On the next repetition, build into it just a little bit more. Again, 3 to 5 repetitions. And with this one, I do recommend doing it on both sides just to keep everything in balance. As a bonus, I want to go over one of my favorite ways to get upper neck pain relief, which is banded traction. For this one, we need a small resistance band or a pull-up band, which you can find pretty much at any local sporting goods department, and you can also get them online. They're pretty inexpensive. If you would like to get it online, I will leave a link in this video's comments section and description. So to get into position, we're going to take the end of this band and loop it around a doorknob on the other side of a door, and then close the door door for a solid, stable anchor point. That way this band won't come back to whack us. We're then going to lie flat on our back, and with the other end of the band, wrap a towel around it and place it right at the top of your neck, right at the base of the skull. It should hook right on the occiput. So from here, what I'm going to do is slightly tuck my chin towards my chest, make sure that my body is in a nice straight line with this band, and then just scoot away from the door. The more that you scoot down, the more that you're going to notice a deep pulling motion form in the neck. This is a decompression traction that really helps take pressure off the muscles and the spinal joints. It usually feels really good. So with this one, I'd like to hold it for at least 30 seconds, but if it feels good, you can hold it for longer. Me personally, I usually hold this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Just grab a book, my phone, I just take my mind off of it. I just do nice, slow, controlled breathing also. Just let out as much tension as you can. When you need a breather, just scoot back like this. But try to build into this one as much as you can. If you would like to take this one to the next level, you can put the neck through different motions to help open it up just a little bit differently. So this time around, what I'm going to do is keep my chin tucked, but I'm going to turn my head to look over one side's shoulder as much as I can. What it usually does is it opens up the other side of the neck just a little bit more. So experiment with going towards the left, go a little bit towards the right. You can also do a tilting motion with this, so taking your ear towards your shoulder. So give that a try towards the left and also towards the right. But go through all of those motions. If one seems to help you out a little bit more and gives you more relief, spend more time in that position. If the exercises helped, please support the channel by giving this video a like and maybe subscribing too. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.